Few natural substances have faced such intense suppression as shilajit. There are reports that prominent holistic health advocate Barbara O'Neill's work on shilajit's remarkable power drew censorship and pushback, a testament to its disruptively profound effects on health and wellness. Some even claim shilajit's benefits threaten major industries that profit from chronic illness and pharmaceuticals, sparking a wave of demand for its natural secrets.
So let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
What is shilajit? Shilajit is a thick, tar-like resin that oozes from rocks in high mountain ranges, especially the Himalayas. It is composed of decomposed plant matter, transformed by centuries of pressure, temperature, and microbial action, leaving behind a mineral-rich substance revered in Ayurveda as the destroyer of weakness. Unlike synthetic supplements, shilajit is entirely natural, containing at least 84 minerals and fulvic acid, which aids nutrient absorption and detoxification. Shocking secrets about shilajit. What sets shilajit apart are its rare compounds and wide-reaching effects. It's not a supplement for the select few. It supports both men and women with benefits extending from energy and muscle recovery to immunity, sexual wellness, and cognitive clarity. Shilajit is often mistakenly labeled a male tonic, but its adaptogenic properties make it an ally for vitality, balance, and cell repair, regardless of gender or age. Moreover, it's one of the only natural sources to combine so many bioavailable trace minerals and antioxidants, packing more nutritional density per gram than most commercial superfoods or vitamins. Barbara O'Neill's view and benefits. Barbara O'Neill, known for her fierce advocacy of plant-based healing, stands by shilajit because of the profound transformations she witnessed in her clients. She cites shilajit for its ability to strengthen the immune system, supporting the body against infections and stressful conditions. It is also believed to boost metabolism and digestion, support healthy weight, offer liver detox benefits, and restore depleted energy levels in those with chronic fatigue. Importantly, shilajit's brain-supporting nutrients are valuable for memory, adaptability to stress, and potentially for protecting against age-related cognitive decline. Barbara also highlights its traditional use for hormonal balance and reproductive health in both men and women, earning it nicknames like Indian Viagra while still supporting menstrual and overall hormonal wellness. Common myths busted. Despite its far-reaching benefits, several myths surround shilajit. Contrary to popular opinion, women can benefit from shilajit for natural hormone regulation, fertility, and overall well-being. Worries about kidney stone formation are largely unfounded. In fact, purified shilajit supports kidney health when used responsibly. Another myth is that shilajit acts as a synthetic steroid. In reality, it gently supports vitality without manipulating hormones. Finally, some warn against long-term use, but traditional evidence and reviews suggest shilajit is safe as long as it is source pure and dosed according to recommendations. How to use shilajit. Traditional usage involves dissolving a very small, pea-sized amount of shilajit resin in warm, not boiling, water, milk, or herbal tea, always on an empty stomach to maximize absorption. The dose should always be gradual to start, increasing only as the body adapts. Importantly, buyers should seek lab-tested, high-purity shilajit. Raw or adulterated versions can carry heavy metals or contaminants, so sourcing from reputable suppliers is essential for safety and efficacy. Final truth. With the explosion of interest in natural healing, it's no wonder stories of shilajit's ability to transform energy, mind, and body have been whispered, then shouted, around the world. The fact that voices like Barbara O'Neill's, who champion such remedies, face resistance is perhaps the strongest evidence that shilajit's ancient promise still threatens the status quo. In the end, shilajit represents a return to nature's pharmacy, a holistic boost for mental sharpness, physical resilience, and true inner balance for anyone willing to seek it. Shilajit, the conqueror of mountains and destroyer of weakness.